Okay, we were discussing about the web design in basics actually the last few weeks, but we shift to the other part, which is like here. Yeah, we have discussing about the web page design and also the basic HTML, right? Basic HTML part. So we have started creating a web page, and I think all of you have created hosting account, right? Is there anyone? Is there anyone who has not created web designing accounts or web hosting accounts? Please let me know, then I can help you creating that. Yes, is there anyone? Okay, I hope everyone got the web pages, right? Okay, so let's start discussing then. So I assume that everyone's having these web pages. So let's start discussing this now. Actually, basic HTML page. We discussed that basic HTML page is created using tags, elements. So this basic HTML is the root element for web page. This is called root element, the main element. Main element is the root element of the web page. Actually, doc type is just to introduce the version of the HTML document, and this says HTML document is version 5. Doc type HTML is saying the document is version 5. Okay, then so inside this root element, HTML root element, there are two main elements. So one is head element, the second element is body element. One is head element and the second one is body element. Inside head element, you have title element. Inside the head element, you have title element, right? So this is the basic structure of web page. You can use any text editor to design a web page, right? Any kind of text editor, and see here. So this is how you write the basic code. HTML opening tag, closing tag, head opening tag, closing tag, title opening tag, closing tag, body opening tag, closing tag, and whatever you want to mention inside the page, you have to mention here. Hello all. Hello all. Let's save it. And when you access the web page, so I have saved this as here in document, sorry, in Dasun Nilanjana desktop, September21.html. Let me go and open that. The file name is September21.html. When I open, you can see hello all in the body section, that is in the web page as a content, and my page is the title of this web page here. So my page is the, so let's take this separately, and now it's there as a separate window. My page is the title and hello all is the content. And this is how we design a web page in HTML. So we discuss about that. And today, what we are going to do, we are going to create image gallery using this. Actually, we have learned some more tags last days. So these are the tags that we have learned. So other than this HTML, so this is the basic structure of the web page, right? HTML, head, title, and the body section. And then inside the body section, you have to write the text. And now you can see the title section and the body section. So this is Sinhala medium book, but don't worry. So in English medium one also same thing, right? If you want, I can open that. So because it's same content, almost same thing is there. This is a reading book, English version. Let's move to the relevant section. And here it is. We learn about the basic tags. And then you have right? Then you have specific tags like heading tags, H1 to H6. Which is the largest heading? Is it H1 or H6? Which is the largest heading?
H1.
Yes, I cannot hear you. Can you repeat again?
H1.
H1 is the largest. And the smallest is H6. If you include all the headings, here, let me start. H1 and up to H6. So let's copy and paste here. H1 to H6. H1 to H6. H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Let's close same. H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So if you include all these things in the body section, you can see in the preview, this is H1 is the largest and H6 is the smallest. And we learn about those heading tags. Then we learn about the bold, italic, center for center align, BR to go to the next line, P for separate in a paragraph. We learn about that. P is introduced in a new paragraph here. This is a new paragraph. And let's copy and paste the same. This is another paragraph. This is another paragraph. Let me save. This is how you can see that. This is a new paragraph. This is another paragraph. Okay. And right. A new paragraph, another paragraph. Okay, everything is okay. Then today what we are going to learn is we are going to learn about this image tag and how do we link the image tag to the pages. Okay, so is there anything difficult up to now? Anything difficult up to now? Please let me know. If there are anything difficult, please let me know. Then I can explain again, right? Let me, Pasan. Anything difficult?
No, sir.
No. Too easy, is it? Right, okay. Okay, let's include the image now. To do this, actually, I'm going to download an image. To include image, I'm going to download image. Actually, I'm going to create image gallery, right? To download image, I'll go to Google web search engine and then I'll search wallpaper. You can do the same, nature. And actually, then you can download. You can see a lot of images. Please see high resolution image or high quality image. You can use tools. In the tools menu, you have size and there you can select large size, right? So wallpaper, nature, under images, under the tools, or in single, it's called Mevalam. On the tools, you have to select the size as large. Then you will get all the large images. So let me download few images and save using some memorable names. I'll click on this one. When there's the large image, I have to wait till it lost the large image, right? Don't download before. Don't download, click in here. Some are downloading by clicking here, save as, don't do that. You have to click on the image first. And wait till it loads. Then right click on the load that image and save as. Let's say I'm going to save this as in the desktop, same place, desktop, img001.jpg. Save. And let me save some other image. This is some other image. Right click, save image as img002.jpg. And let's download another one, this one. Right click, save image as img003.jpg. And let's save this as well. Maybe this one. Right click, save image as img004.jpg. So let's say 5 images altogether, right? Okay, this one also. This is not large enough. Let's try for this one. This is actually a manipulated image. Let's try for this one. Right click, save image as img 006.005.006.jpg. I have saved 6 images. You can do the same. So if you cannot find the images, let me send these images to you. In case if you cannot download and find the images, I'm going to upload it now. Please download the same images that I am uploading. It's img 126. Can I upload many together? No, I have to upload one by one. img 1 I have uploaded. Okay, then the 2. Then 3. Please download them. Then 4. Then 5. And then 6. We have sent all the images that I have downloaded. So let's link all 6 images now. Okay, so let me show the code. I have to write, let's erase all these codes, excluding the body section. I am keeping the body section and other things. The tag is img. What is the tag name? It is img. There's a special attribute that is src. That is compulsory, right? In img tag, src attribute is compulsory. After that, then the image name, img001.jpg. Then the tag should be self-closed. Closing tag. There is no separate closing tag. Therefore, you have to self-close it. Okay, img src img001.jpg. So I'm going to copy and paste the same code again and again for 5 times, 6 times. img2, then img3, then img4, then img5, and img6. I have sent all the files to you. So if you cannot find, please let me know. I have sent all the files to you now. And up to 6. Some are late today. So why is that? Some are a bit late today. Is it like because of thundering? Yes. Hello, I cannot hear you all. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, why some are late today? Is it due to thundering or something else? Okay, anyway. So maybe you think that all chapters are over now, so no need to come to the class, is that? Class okay, please do that today. And if you're having any difficulty, please let me know, right? Medica Karan Monahari Amarutan Tirana Kiana Mangai Kiela Denan. If there are anything difficult, please let me know, then I can teach you again. Don't worry, tell me again. I can explain again and again. And if you're having issue, you can share your screen too. And you can use Notepad to do this. You can use Notepad to do this. Or if you are having a hosting account, you can use that. Hosting account එකක් තියෙනවා නම් ඒක use කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. But in that case, you have to upload these images to hosting account. And if you are using the website blogspot.com, you can use that blogspot.com website also. Okay, I'll teach you. I'll tell you how to upload this to the blogspot.com account. But before that, you have to create this locally in your computer. That is easy. Done or not yet? If you're done, please let me know.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I joined now, sir. How can we get those images?
I'll send it to the send it as a message
Teacher, sir, where?
to Zoom chat.
Sir, can you resend them because I don't have them.
Yeah, you can download that from internet also. Please download 5 images and save it as these names. Give these names and save it. That's easier than uploading again, right?
Okay, sir.
You can save those images. Okay, why some are late? The extreme delay is there, right? Some are like okay, finish. If you are finished, please tell me, then I can proceed. Okay, after adding that, you can see this kind of web page. You can see all 5 images in a single page. Here, image number 1, image number 2, image number 3, image number 4, 5. Everything in the same page, but these images are very large. I want to make them smaller. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add width property, and I'm setting that to 200. Let me do that for all the images. Width equal 200, width equal 200, width equal 200, 200, and 200. Now all images will get 200 pixels width. So you can see images this way. One image is missing here. What is that? That is img005.jpg. Why is that? It is img 105. I have sent wrong image, img 105, right? Okay. Now I think it's okay. Yes, I can see all images now in this page. And I want to align them all center. Therefore, I'm using center tag. And I'm closing center tag after finishing this. Just closing the center tag after finishing this section. And also I need a border for these images. So I'm setting a border as 2 pixels. Border equal 2. Let's add the same border to other images also. And you can see now it's having 2 pixel border. BORDER, sorry, it's my spelling mistake. Save, and you can see the border there. All images are now having the border, black color border. Okay. Have you done this or you need any help? Still doing this. You have to download 5 images. 6 images, sorry, 6 images. And give some familiar names. Then link those images to the page. IMG is the tag, SRC is the attribute for linking. The Hamza, have you finished that?
No,
You can
sir.
use Notepad, right? Okay, Aditi, have you finished that?
No, sir, still doing.
Still doing.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, do we really need a closing, actually a backslash to IMGSRC
Yes,
attributes?
you can ignore that, but that is not really correct HTML, but it will also work. I don't know how it is given in your book today, but the thing is the most appropriate thing is clause in this, because this treating this as a self-closing tag. That is the most appropriate way. But the thing is, you can omit, you can ignore that and write opening tag only. That will also work. But that is not the most appropriate thing. Maybe in your book, I don't know, maybe they have not included that. Let's see what has happened. Yes, image, insert in image. IMGSRC is given. But they have not mentioned, this is a reading book, right? They have not mentioned about, okay, this reading book, English medium, is different from the Sinhala medium book, it seems. Yes. So let me open the Sinhala medium book also. Sinhala medium book. This is how it is listed in, same, right? Same. Yeah. These are the tags that you have to learn, right? They have mentioned about these tags, heading tags we learn, bold, italic, center tags we learn. Then we have to learn about the list, ordered list, unordered list, and the BR to go to the next page, IMG and links. Actually, we are going to learn about the links also.
Sir?
Yes.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Finish. Now you need to do something special. If you are done, you need to do something special. So this is September 21.html now. This is very important part. Really, really, really important. I want to link the first small image, that is this one. I want to link that. Therefore, I am adding a href. Href actually is link. Href. Then I'm mentioning another page, that is September 21 page 1.html. That is my link. Okay, see the specialty. My link is September 21 page 1.html. In that page, I'll copy this line and paste it again in the bottom section here. And I'll give it 100% width with no border or 1 pixel border. That means I'm copying the same image code means this ING001. Then I'm copying and pasting it here. It is ING001.jpg, 100% in width. Then I'm going to save this image, save this file as September 21 page 1.html. September 21 page 1.html. Right? September 21 page 1.html. And similar to that, I'm going to add similar kind of links. These are the links. Similar kind of links to other images, but with different names. This is page 2. Likewise, the next one will be page 3. And the next one is page.
Sir?
Yes?
Sir, when I clicked on that image, sir, it says this file couldn't be accessed.
Yeah, so maybe you have saved this and try to preview, but I didn't ask you to preview it now. තාම මම preview කරන්න කිව්වේ නැහැ. හරි මොකද තාම අපි හදලා ඉවර නැහැ. හදලා ඉවර වුණාම preview කරා. දැනට මම කරන්නේ මේ code එක ලියන් යනවා. Still I am writing the code. I have not finished the code yet. So it will not give any preview, proper preview now. Because we have to create this, all these links.
So how to make HTML from Notepad?
Same way, you have to write the code. That's all. So now only you are asking that problem. Then අහන්නේ බලන්න පුතේ දැන් මම මෙච්චර වෙලාවක් කිව්වා if there anything difficult please tell me. If there anything difficult please tell me. I have repeated that more than 10 times. But now only you are asking how to create a page. Right? See how long you have taken to ask that question. If you have asked that question in the beginning, I refer to your screen and I'll show you that before we begin. Right? ඒ හින්දා මම හැම වෙලේම කියනවා ඔයගොල්ලන්ට තේරෙන්නේ නැති දෙයක් නම් ඇයි ඔයගොල්ලෝ නිශ්ශබ්දව ඉන්නේ? You have to talk. Then only the solution will come. Late to talk will give you a late solution. So see how I am renaming. I am renaming like 5, 6. I have given names and I have added links to all these images. And the name of this page is September 21 page 1.html. So this is how I have named that. Okay, Notepad again. If you are using Notepad, same thing. You have to write the same, but no need to number that. Numbering is not required. That is the only thing. But you have to do the same, except numbering, because this numbering has come automatically. In Notepad, you don't go to number. You can just write this code. That is all. Okay, have you finished doing this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Others, you have to rename the page also, right? Page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5.
Yes,
page
sir.
6.
Done.
Right, okay. Up to page 6, you have to save. And in page 1, note that September 21, page 1, IMG1 is the 100% image. And now I'm going to save this. Okay, very special thing. Otherwise, you will miss this. Everything you will miss. So be careful. Carefully listen and see what I'm doing. Now I'm going to save this again. File, save as. This time I'm going to save as September 21 page 2.html. And this will be IMG2 for the page 2. Then again I'm going to save this. And I'm going to save as again. This step is really critical. September 21st page 3.html. For page 3, IMG3 is the main image. Save it again. Again, I'm going to save this as, save as. Now I'm going to save this as page 4.html. And for that, this is IMG4. That is the main image. Again, I'm saving the document. Go back, save again as page 5.html. Page 5.html. And in page 5.html, I'll make this image that is 105, right? There's a special change in this renaming error. It is 105. Again, I'll save this. File, save as page 6.html. And this time for page 6, I'll keep it is not 106, it is 006. Okay, I'm done. Now I have created how many pages? I have created 6 pages. You can see all 6 pages in the desktop. There are 6 pages now. Those 6 pages are September here. So September here. September 21, page 6, page 5, page 4, page 3, page 2, page 1. 6 pages are, yeah, altogether 6 pages. With the main page, it is 7. But main page is not required. You can just open page 1. And this is page 1. You can see small images and one large image will be visible. Right? Small images and one large image is visible. When you click on the first large image, it will be loaded. When you click on the second large image, page 2 will be loaded. It has the second large image. When you click on the third large image, third small image, third large image is loaded. Right? That is page 3.html. When you click on the fourth one, the fourth large image is loaded. Now you are in page 4. When you click on this one, now the large image of that is loaded and you are in page 5. When you click on this one, this large image is loaded. Now we are in page 6. You can go back to any image. You can click on any image and load that large image in the below section. This is similar to what you see in the Google search. There are a lot of small images. When you click on the small image, the large image will be loaded in this corner. We have done something similar. Right? We have done something similar. When you click on the small image, you are loading the large image here. Okay. Can you do this? So this is my code. You have to save it 6 times. Save as 6 times. Each time you save, you have to change the main image. Main image means this one. This is the 100% large image. For an example, if your page name is page 6.html, ing6 is the large image. Okay. Okay with this? Shall we do that?